What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, I have found a whole bunch of patterns in the Bitcoin price action right now, which is leading me to believe that we're going to have a break pretty soon, guys. That horizontal triangle yesterday did in fact turn into an ascending triangle, guys, and a breakout is imminent. I want to show you guys exactly how to take that trade over on BYBIT, whether long or short, and exactly where to take your profits. And guys, if you haven't signed up using my links right here, you can save up to almost $2,000 just by using these links right here. And don't forget about my giveaway, guys. One lucky winner will be winning a Ledger Nano X at the end of the month. All you have to do is deposit a minimum of 0.02 BTC. And we have a bonus giveaway going on. The first 20 users who simply register an account with BYBIT will receive $5 bonus on top of the $100 bonuses they will receive from Rewards Hub. And here is the link right here. And guys, we have so many other alts I wanted to go over today. We have no time to waste. If you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, let's dive right into the price action. Okay guys, so I wanted to start with the Bitcoin price right here. So we definitely had a whole bunch of patterns here. It was definitely a nice day of reads. For instance, as we broke down out of this descending triangle here, okay, we formed a new pattern after our second touch, but within it we had several patterns. So for instance, we had a nice little double bottom, measured from point of resistance to the lowest point. Okay, and that target was actually perfectly hit, guys. Check that out. Easy. That was an easy one. Okay, we had a nice little pump up, a little bit of a pullback there, formed a nice little double top. Again, measured from highest point to breakout. Target was easily hit, guys. Easy. Okay, waited for the next pattern to form. For instance, right here, we didn't have anything yet, but as soon as we formed another touch there, formed another little double bottom, measured. Okay, actually make that a little bigger, actually. You can see, guys, perfectly hit right there. Easy. Okay, then we formed a nice descending channel here, descending wedge, and I used wedge theory to get this measurement. Okay, right from the back to the point of breakout. So we didn't quite hit that one yet. We're getting a little bit of a pullback, guys. So let's see if we can get some volume back in the market, start pushing back up. A breakout is definitely coming. I was actually hoping it would have happened yesterday, but guys, it looks like we still have some more building up to do. For instance, you pull up the Bollinger Bands. You can see we are just really tight in here. We are tightening up. We're going to tighten up some more, and then a breakout is coming, guys. So be ready to take your positions. Basically, if we break the support, okay, you're going to be looking for a short. If we break the resistance, you're going to be looking for a long. And I have 51,100 basically, and then this will kind of fluctuate as it goes down. The deeper it goes, the farther up this target will be. But let's just say around 49,895. Okay, say like we break out of it up here, that's where you would take your short, guys, quite simply. Okay, let me show you guys the targets for this ascending triangle. So say like we break out to the upside, measured from the back of the triangle. Let's say we break out right here. Okay, nice and green. Okay, we could end up retesting around $55,000, guys. Okay, and if we break out to the downside, let's say we break out right down here. Again, that would be a very bad sign, guys. If we would break legacy line on Bitcoin, that would be very bad, guys. But the target would be all the way down at 45.9. Okay, guys, and that's exactly where you'd be looking to take profits, depending on which way it broke, whether it went up or down. And guys, let's talk about AMP. A lot of people very interested in AMP lately, and for many reasons why. Just an amazing coin, guys. So let me talk about what's happened in the last few days. We definitely had a descending wedge here, and I used wedge theory actually to measure it, but you could have also used just plain wedge measurements. Got a nice perfect hit out of that. As soon as we got another target formation, a nice horizontal triangle, measured from the back of the triangle to the point of breakout, another target easily hit, guys. And then we had a nice double top here. Okay, double rejection, measured from point of support to tallest point to breakout. And guys, we're talking target after target hit here. So for instance, you can even call this a little double bottom. I mean, this is really dirty, but you can see the clear point of resistance formed right there. Okay, so that's another little target there. You could draw that one out too. But guys, we definitely have a very clear horizontal triangle here. Okay, let's see if we get a break to the upside and then retest this pattern, or we break out to the downside and we're going to be retesting support levels, guys. Definitely keep an eye on AMP right now. Remember, we don't know how far down these descending wedges will go. but they do have a tendency to break to the upside, guys. I'm actually getting some good bullish sentiment today, which is pretty nice. Guys, let's talk about Filecoin quickly. So I won't lie, guys, I'm a little disappointed here. I'm surprised that we pumped up to 240, didn't kind of move more sideways and then get another pump up. We have broken trend, we have broken legacy line. So in simplicity, guys, we need a reversal to actually get back up onto the legacy line. Okay, so the shorts are going to be more profitable here right now. But guys, it looks like we are about to get a breakout and or a rejection right now as we speak. We are just bouncing around in here. A breakout is coming out of this one as well, guys. Again, if you're looking to take a position, long and short simply, okay, on the resistance, on the support, guys. And if you're not sure which way or how to read which way it's going to go, for instance, one I love to teach is the 7 and the 20 estimated moving average, okay? So watch for the 7 to dip back through the 20. For instance, you can see right here, we had a nice cross and then a breakdown, okay? Cross, break up, cross, break down, cross, break up, and so on, okay? So if we get a cross here and we start pushing down, maybe a retest of support, but hopefully we get some good volume in the market and we can retest this resistance, guys. But again, nobody's psychic. We actually have to read it on the fly, and that's how we make our decisions, okay? All right, guys, let's talk about mana. So just in the short term, that's all I'm going to go over on this one today to save some time. But guys, as you can see, we have formed a nice ascending triangle, which is a very bullish sign. Those do tend to break to the upside by about 70%. And we did get a crossing on the 7 through the 20 here as well, so, and we respected the pattern. So for instance, I didn't originally know where this line was. For instance, I had it tightened up like this at first, but then once we got a little bit more oversold territory, I moved it down, and with more touches confirmed the line, guys. So that's how you find your lines, basically. The more touches you can get on the wicks, the better, okay? The more solidified the pattern, slash resistance, slash support, slash trend, slash everything, okay? So again, guys, just watching for the EMAs, watching for volume to come in, and using any one of the other indicators. I like Bollinger Bands, I like Stotch. I mean, there's just so many indicators. That's the beauty of technical analysis, guys. It's better than learning a new language, okay? For instance, when you're learning a new language, you don't have a bunch of helpful tools to help you read it. That's the beauty about graphical analysis. You have all these helpful indicators to help you read which way the price action is moving, guys. And honest to God, if you don't understand that, guys, please reach out to me for my course. It is extremely undervalued right now, and it's like an altcoin about to explode. And I want as many people to take advantage of the course while they can. Just imagine going to a trade school for like 50 to 100 grand a year and just not making it, guys. That would be just a nightmare. So just imagine, getting 40 hours of course instruction from a professional. It's just the best thing to do early stages. It's really good having a guide. And guys, I want to talk about Electroneum. I actually haven't looked at this yet today, so let's just look and see what we find here. So definitely a little tiny pattern right here. Okay. Very tiny, very tiny. Okay. But we broke the legacy line. Okay, guys, so that is not a good sign. We need a reversal to get back up to it. And as you can clearly see here, we are in another horizontal triangle here, okay? So a breakout is coming, guys, and the reality is these do tend to break to the downside, and we could work down the wedge a little further. Remember, we don't know how far the wedge will go, so let's just give a little projection there in case we break down. That's what I'd be looking at. And if we broke to the upside, guys, it could be something like this and retesting pattern, okay? So for instance, I would like to see it bounce up, but guys, on a great note, we did get some good volume in. So check that out. This is good. Okay, we get a little bit more volume in. We could hopefully bust out of this pattern, get back up on legacy line, guys. That's super exciting for Electroneum, guys. And that's what I'm looking at in the short term, just in simplicity, guys. And again, guys, if you don't understand patterns within patterns, reach out to me today. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. These are just amazing times in cryptocurrency. I couldn't be happier with the price action, guys. And the reality is when the market goes up or down, we can make money through leverage. And guys, that's the best feeling, is being able to squeeze profits when everyone else doesn't even understand how, guys. It's incredible. And guys, if you don't know how to do that yet, or you're kind of just starting trading or just learning, guys, reach out to me today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com. I have a course with about 40 hours. It's soon going to be condensed, just for transparency. I am going to condense the course, up the price, and the reason for that is what I'm doing right now is for all of my early supporters. Basically, anyone who takes my course will be in my private Discord channel named Zion. And guys, you're getting extra time, a cheaper price, and that's just something I wanted to do for my early supporters. Remember, guys, I've only been around YouTube for about 9 months. I've been trading for 15 years. So, I've definitely got a lot to offer you guys, especially any level, like from beginner to someone who's been trading for a long time. The reality is I made a lot of money in the last few years. A lot of people did not. Okay, I started a big portion of my trading heavily during the bear market, okay, with a lot of shorting, guys, and that's just something a lot of people are very scared to do. And if it's early stages for you, having a guide is extremely pivotal, guys. So just reach out to me today at bitcoinduststar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send you your onboarding email, guys. And again, I can't stress enough, learning to discover your financial freedom is the best gift to receive, guys, and I'm just very happy to give that to you guys. So reach out to me today while you can, guys. Remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as riding that wave. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.